guys. As you guys can see, my house is kinda looking good. The real thing is I repaired it. So my stuff is still here, but I kinda also repaired the inside. You guys can also see, but I make the sea lantern still there. So my stuff's kinda messed up just because I repaired my house. I don't want to show it on my whole video. Also, I made some armor stands. There's a torch behind it. Well, I also made an anvil. And this pickaxe, well, there's a ton of it. I made it all in survival. Well, I don't really like C mode. I really like S, and I don't like cheating ever. As you guys can see, it's kind of looking good. So I will let you guys see. Yeah. Well, for real, I made it by my own, and I know you guys will say, "Oh, you didn't build that because you're a new builder from your old channel." Well, yeah, I am a new builder on that channel. Well, I don't want to say that channel, but I will make a video next time. I'm gonna react from my old channel. I'm lazy. Well, you guys can see it's looking good. Made it by myself, but I kind of like that staying right there. I got some woods from that place. Oh, it's nighttime. I didn't notice that. And I thought I was drowned. Well, it's kind of fun building it. Well, yeah, duh. But when I was kind of building everything, I kind of switched my language to Espanol. Well, bruh, I just killed them pufferfish, and I don't want to eat these pufferfish. Okay, not fish. It should be fish. Ooh, Mimo. Chop it. Aww. They changed it? Why? Well, I also changed. I kind of take up the magma block, so it's in my chest, in my original chest. Well, this one doesn't have anything. Also, this one, this guy. Yeah. I have my sword. Well, yeah. But I just repaired my house just because I want. Kind of looks ugly, but you guys will see my old looking house on my videos. But still, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button and click the notification bell so you will find all my videos. I don't want to edit this video though, but I'm just gonna edit with an intro. Yeah, just okay. Where's my sword? Oh! Oh, I remember. I thought I forgot. There we go. That was I know it because I already built this for like. I'm gonna check my time. Just be right back. Be right back. Mom, can I have your phone? Okay, thank you. Oh, I forgot to do a timing. Mom, here's your phone. Okay, thank you. Okay, goodbye then. Yeah, well, okay. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I know it's a short video, but I'm not doing anything. I just repaired my house and I just made a video on my Let's Play, or I mean, ocean survival. Oh, freaking hell. Yeah, goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye. Wait, by the way, guys, I'm using my skin that I made. I also have a video from that skin. Well, yeah. So yeah, just make sure to subscribe on this video. Yeah, subscribe to me. I just have 7 subscribers and it's not really good as it is. So yeah, goodbye. Goodbye, mama. Get it, baby. When I end this video, I'm gonna play PUBG. PUBG. Also, make sure to play that. Yeah.